For affordable prices on good quality pre-owned vehicles, come see us at Auto Dynamic Barrow. Currently for 174,995 Rand, we're selling this 2015 Volkswagen Polo Vivo 1.6 Max. Or how about this 2015 Kia Cerato Coupe 1.6T GDI, retailing for 189,995 Rand. 289,995 Rand is what you will pay for the 2016 Hyundai Tucson 2-liter premium automatic. This 2015 Toyota Fortuner 3-liter D4D raised body is just 359,995 Rand. And 529,995 Rand gets you into the driver's seat of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E220 CDI. To discover our full range of quality used vehicles, go to our website at www.autodynamic.co.za. Otherwise, to make an inquiry on any one of these 5 vehicles, contact us right now at Auto Dynamic Barrow on 021 930 3696.